In a kingdom where magic and gears intertwine, lived a feline hero named Sir Whiskers. He was brave, adorable, but also a little lazy. In a bustling workshop of steam and brass, Princess Seraphina proudly unveiled her latest masterpiece. Immediately, the Steampunk Knight proved its superiority. It polished its armor to a flawless shine. Sir Whiskers, try as he might, could only leave comical smudges. The competition had officially begun.
Analysis indicates an energy imbalance. A focused application of 34 newtons of pressure will stabilize the resonance cascade.
Wait, stop! You're frightening him! Make it go away.
Systems registering distress. Outcome illogical.
And then, Sir Whiskers stepped forward. No calculations, no formulas. Just the warmth, the affection from a true heart. Finally, heart and hardware found common ground. Sir Whiskers took a contented sip of his warm milk, then playfully winked at his mechanical friend.